hearts and red hearts for the boys.
Ooh, very nice.
Leave some room for Natalia.
You know what, Em? It's just going to be you and me because Natalia's going on vacation.
Without us.
You're going to get to say goodbye before she goes.
I want her to help us deliver Valentine's. It'll be more fun.
We're going to have fun.
Don't you want Natalia to stay?
You know, sometimes you don't always get what you want. Things are just what they are.
Do you need a new heart every year?
No, I get to keep this one. Here, feel it. You feel it beating? It's because it's really strong, and I'm going to be around for a very long time. So can I keep this?
You said you didn't need it.
I know, but it's really nice and I want it. All I need is you.